Welcome back to another Destination Modified video. We've tried to get Callum to do the intro for the last 40 minutes, but
Kelvin, the language, please.
I'll cut it out. You don't have to worry about that bit. But yeah, so we tried to get Callum to do the intro for the last 40 minutes, and Lee behind was critiquing Callum, saying that he was dog at it. So obviously I'm the main man.
I was pretty confident. Lee made me not very confident.
So yeah, so we've got a very, very stunning car in today. Being our more works, I am basically Callum right now.
Yeah.
And so yeah, it's a Litchfield Stage 4, I think.
Yeah.
It's just roughly about 700 brake, GTR with Vossen wheels, a shit ton of carbon fibre.
Yeah.
But yeah, it is absolutely stunning.
She's a unit, like. She's very nice.
So I'll get some B-roll of the car while Callum pretends that he's working. But yeah, before we get on to that, we'll show you what we're installing.
Oh, who's put our lunch there?
That wasn't my lunch or anything. So we've got Bilstein. What is it? Bilstein with Litchfield.
Whoa, wait a minute. Wait, let me zoom out a bit. Live, man. Oh, let's be zooming in.
So we've got Bilstein in conjunction with Litchfield suspension.
So they're Litchfield. They basically designed them. Well, they kind of designed what they wanted, I think.
Right. So we've got front, rear, and then we've got the anti-roll bar and pads as well.
DS2 500 pads. I think I had a new disc recently, so we don't need them. That's why I just went for pads, obviously.
Ideal.
But so, I think so. So as far as I'm aware, the rear of the car gets raised very slightly. Front of the car gets lowered, and it's purely for the whole kind of squatting of the rear end for when you're planting it, basically.
Doing big sends.
Like fat peels, and then obviously the rear. I guess the rear anti-roll bar, just to stiffen it up even better, just handling wise, and then we'll get a fuel geometry set up for a fast road setup using Litchfield's whatever it is. Mate.
It all came out of my mouth.
Yeah.
You seen that?
Yeah.
Right, so yeah, let's get started.
Yeah. Can't get the rear shockers out without taking the seats out, alright, in the back. So Kelvin likes to drag the day on, as it is, just recording all the time. So we're going to strip all the back seats and everything out. Back seats got to come out, all the trims and stuff like that, up with the seat belts and everything, they come out, and then we'll take the kind of whole, some of the partial shelf, but it's where the speakers and that are. That'll all come out, and then that'll give us access to there's three nuts that hold the top mount on, and then we can then get on the ramp, and everyone's that's out, and we can just strip it all. Alright? Not enough talking. Now can I get on with it? Do I look enthusiastic enough? Very. Right, cheers. Appreciate it. Right, interior's done. Thankfully, I'm honestly over the moon, ecstatic. You know what I mean? Just over the moon. Right? If you have a look in here, Kelvin, that's the interior all out. Look at that. How nice is that, guys? It actually looks
lovely, yeah.
Like, I mean, all that in a car. Anyway, so that gives us access to the rear strut towers. So we'll now get bashed on with getting the rear shockers and everything off, and then we'll move on to the front. Enjoy.
What's happening, big fella?
I'm done. I've just finished, mate. It's It's been some graft. That's actually not that bad, it's just right cramped in here for someone that's 6 foot odd. I mean, this would be better for you, Callum. You could probably stand up in here.
As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
No, that's it all done. Real ones are on anyway.
How was it?
It wasn't actually bad. It was actually a piece of
Piece of
Nah, it wasn't too bad. Just all this year was the hardest bit, not the hardest bit, but the most time consuming bit. Front ones are probably a bit trickier, but I think they'll be alright, guys.
Sweet. On to the front ones then.
On the front ones, mate. Maybe get some actual bits on this one, eh?
Yeah, I may have been slightly distracted and didn't film anything.
Maybe, just a wee bit maybe.
Ah well.
All of it.
Deal with it.
So, as before, back ones are all done. Going to go on to the front ones. I actually already done the other side purely because it's not something I've done before on these cars. So I wanted to familiarise myself with what I was doing before actually taking a video of doing it, in case, I don't know, it took me 5 hours instead of 5 minutes, do you know what I mean? Anyway, wasn't actually too bad to do it, to be honest. There's a few things to take on and off, like the upper wishbone, stuff like that, drive shaft and that out, just to make sure it doesn't pop out. Swap over the top links from the original suspension onto the new suspension, connect all the dampeners connectors up, and we're good to go. Alright, why are you so close to the camera? I can't even look at it without giving me the fear. Right, onto the car.
Don't gotta mention our time lapse, Callum.
Oh, we're going to do a time lapse, can't wait, so excited. So, have a look. And now all in. You can see it.
Okay.
Everything's done, everything's tightened up. Height wise, you can actually adjust these, as much as it doesn't look like it's just like shocks and springs, you can actually adjust them. It's just like a little circlip. And there's 3 grooves. This is on like the first setting. So obviously if the customer wants it to be lower at all, he's got, I'd say between each one there's maybe 5mm difference. So you could probably drop it from there another 10mm if once we drop this, if there's a gap. If he wants that closed up, we can get that closed up. But he has got aftermarket wheels, so I don't know if they'll be. I reckon that height will be absolutely perfect. Like, we're not going to film the pads because brake pads are pretty boring. Like, literally just a couple of pins, bolts in the back, and obviously push all the pistons in the back and replace the pads. It's not exactly anything exciting. So,
and we've maxed an SD card out.
Aye, and that. But so the car's actually been blessed to work on it before everything's came off as it should. Nothing's been seized and that, so we've been pretty sweet. Makes me want one even more. Not gonna lie. It's gonna. So maybe one video will be my own. Maybe not for a few years, mind. But aye, big dream come true, man. It'd be cool, like. Don't worry about that. Nothing to worry about. Just a car falling off the ramp. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, lads, gals, everyone else. Just the usual. Don't know what else you want me to do.
Just the usual. So yeah, we'll get some clips of the actual car outside when this is
all done and stuff.
Yeah, back. But I'll need to run home, load this shit onto the computer, and then come back down when the SD card's formatted, because running out of memory. Yeah. Great fun.
Right.
Say bye bye.
I said bye. I said bye.
Say again.
Bye. Oh. Bye. It's a new day. The GTR is actually now complete. We've done all upgraded Bilstein shock springs. We've done the anti-roll bar yesterday. And I've done all the geometry and everything on it today. Oh, done the brake pads and that as well, but you didn't get any stuff on that.
Well, we didn't get any stuff on the last few things.
Aye, the anti-roll bar, you needed new anti-roll bar links and everything because it was seized on, but that's all done. Still looking, well, I think it needs to settle a wee bit, but it's now looking, sitting much nicer than it was. New brakes works, that's a sign. It's sitting spot on as well. So it's actually quite comfy. I thought it'd be quite hard, but it's actually quite comfy. I know it's got the modes because it's got the damper suspension, but it's quite impressed.
Banging.
It does say quite impressed, like. Quite impressed. It's not quite a Micra. I'm not a cash guy, but it's alright. Not bad.
Right, go for it.
Wow. You see everything out there?
Can't see anything, mate.
That weather's so bad, man. I feel sorry having this car out. But well, man, hopefully it should be pretty sick.
Just when we go to actually start taking, like, filming, that car actually driving, it starts to film.
It's always the same though, isn't it, man? There's a car coming down now. We reverse cam on the felly.
Just in case, like, you can't. I definitely had my seatbelt on that first time.
Jesus. Mate, it's a whole different ball game, like.
That's just a light pull as well.
That was it. That was like a pull like from like second gear jumping into third. I even jumped into third like at like 30 miles an hour, and then it was still like just shift. Damn.
It puts you back in your seat, like.
It does. Honestly, man, you forget to breathe. I swear. I breathe after I flipping come off the throttle a bit. Nah, man. Impressed. I'm very impressed. But like,
Yeah, this is sick.
it is nice. Oh well, I don't need to buy one now though. I mean, I've worked on it. I've drove it. And I'm done with it, mate. Completed it, mate.
Completed it, mate.
Completed it, bro. Sick. Right, man. I'll let it cool off a bit and stuff, and then we'll. Aye.
Sweet.
Anyway, people. Oh, I was going to do the wee subscribe bit.
Oh, go on.
I swear every time I'm about to do it, I mean.
Right, go on.
Right. What am I saying now? I mean, I completely forgot now. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. Cheers.
My man! Nice! He's done it!
I only got it, done it!
Nah, we're getting professional, lads.
That's it. How are we going to say this time?
What you don't realise is Callum does this every video and it takes a solid 40 minutes.
No. Sometimes. Following on from the Clio V6, what do I do? The Clio V6? What?
I couldn't hold it. Right, go. Action.
Welcome back, Destination Modified. This is the 507th take.
Why you try to copy me with the arms? What's that about?
That's what I'm doing. Welcome back, Destination Modified. So we're working on this R35 Gtr. Another V6 this time, but different shape as, well, just whenever Kelvin wants to pan round, because I'm not a V6, am I?
Nah, definitely not.
V10, mate. This is what it's like when you're trying to record me. It's for your height, I mean.
You're a
Wait a minute, I'll just stretch my arm right up. So it's a new day? No, I didn't go to plan. Someone's coming. I'm nervous. It's a new day. Can you hear me? Shut up, you.
I'm coming out.
Right, bye everybody.
Work is going now. I'm on the lead now. I'm on the lead.
Alright, okay. On the graft. Look at his piece box. Whoa! Dad, I have my pieces in there. Whoa! Doesn't want to come back.
He's just launched on the floor.
I'll get it. It's so man like.